Welcome to Animal Facts Unleashed. Embark on another incredible adventure as we unveil the fascinating world of nature's magnificent giants, the majestic elephants. Intelligent and emotional beings. Elephants form strong bonds within their families, displaying compassion and understanding that rivals our own. Unrivaled memory. Elephants can remember intricate paths and locations for years, a skill that aids their survival. Gentle nurturers. Elephant mothers are incredibly protective and loving, caring for their young with utmost tenderness. Essential water seekers. In arid environments, elephants use their intelligence and strength to dig for life-sustaining water. The captivating world of elephants, a true marvel of nature. If you enjoyed these incredible elephant facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this captivating video with your friends.